Hey YouTube, I'm Eris and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be doing a hygiene tips video because I know y'all girls, I got y'all. I know y'all need some help. I got you. So without further ado, let's hop right into this video. Okay guys, so I'm going to break this down into sections. So it's going to be everyday hygiene routine, then shaving, and then cleaning, Miss Girl down there. So this first tip is a no-brainer. Like, you should know to do this. You should already be doing this. Make sure you're showering and brushing your teeth every single day. Even on them days when you don't feel like getting out of bed, go wash up because that is disgusting. You don't want to stink. You don't want to look crusty. That's just nasty. Like, why would you not shower and brush your teeth every single day? Make sure you're using floss. Make sure you use mouthwash. I don't care what you gotta do. Clean your braces if you got braces. It's just a no-brainer. Like, this is stuff you should be already doing. And then next, some people, they be stinking. You smell like onions and yesterday's fajita. Make sure you're wearing deodorant every day. Every day. Why are you not putting on deodorant? You don't want to walk around smelling musty. And then if you have after-school activities like volleyball, band, football, basketball, whatever, bring some deodorant with you. Yeah. And then next, we have spray perfume if you have it. And I know for guys, if you're watching this video, y'all don't wear perfume, y'all wear cologne. Put on some perfume. Put on some cologne. Just smell good. Just a little bit. So I'm going to show y'all where I spray my perfume. So I spray it on my wrist. So I spray it. I'm going to just show y'all. I spray it once on my wrist. And then rub my wrist together. And then I spray it on my neck. And then sometimes I spray on my body. So I do one squirt here, 2 squirts here. And then on my body a little bit if I'm feeling fancy. And so the next tip is shaving. So we're going into this shaving section. So all the next tips are about shaving. Never shave dry. Use something. I don't care if it's conditioner, shaving gel, shaving cream. I don't care what you use. Soap. Just don't shave dry. Please. Please. You're going to have razor bumps. You're going to cut yourself. It's not going to be cute. It's not pretty at all. Make sure you're shaving with something, okay? I don't use men's razors, but I heard that they're like top tier. So get yourself a men's razor because it's a cleaner shave. They have more razors. They have more blades. So it's going to be a cleaner shave and it's just a lot better to avoid razor bumps and stuff like that. And then I also did some research. You should shave in the direction that your hairs are growing. So if your hairs grow downwards, shave down. That's kind of difficult. I don't do that personally. I shave up because it's just easier that way. It might reduce razor bumps and stuff like that. So shave in the direction that your hair grows. And then next, clean and change your razors often. Like if you have the razors where you can change the head often. Maybe like every couple of times, every 2 or 3 times you shave. Change your razor head and change your razor every couple of weeks, because if not, you're putting bacteria and stuff on your legs, on your armpits, wherever you shave, your belly. You're just putting more bacteria and old hair back on you. That's disgusting. The next tip, clean and exfoliate before you shave. So what I do is, let me know in the comments if y'all want to see a shaving routine or like a hygiene routine video, because I'll make one for y'all. I got y'all. Make sure you clean and exfoliate before you shave. So wash your legs, wash your armpits, wash your belly, wash, Miss Girl before you shave. And then exfoliate to get all the dead skin cells and all the dead hair and stuff off of your body before you're shaving. And then next, after you shave, make sure you moisturize your skin. You don't want your skin being all dry, looking like a reptile. You don't want that. Looking like Miss Kipling. You know, you don't want to look like her. I mean, no shade to Miss Kipling. That's a goat, but you don't want to look like her. Can we take a second and just recognize my jersey? Look at it. It's framed. It's amazing. I got it for senior night after my volleyball game, after our last home game. And I just love it. And I have a poster. I'm not taking that down though. But y'all can see. It's right there. It's amazing. That's my senior portrait right there in the right corner. And then my 2 volleyball teams. And that's a picture of me. That's an ugly picture. But yeah. And my team signed it and everything. It's so nice. I just want to show y'all because I'm so proud of it. Anyways. So the next couple of tips are going to be about cleaning Miss Girl. We're going to talk about cleaning, the girl downstairs, because it's very important. So the first tip, don't use scented soaps when cleaning Miss Girl. That will cause infections, and it's ugly and disgusting. I know y'all want to smell good, but that's not the way to go. That's not the way to go. Your girl, she has a natural scent, and everybody's scent is different. You're not going to smell like roses. That's not how it's going to go. So you don't want to use scented soaps when you're cleaning Miss Girl. And then my next tip, use water instead of soap on the inside to avoid infections, yeast infections, UTIs, stuff like that. You don't want to call it. It's so nasty. Like, I don't know how to explain it. It's just, you don't want to use soaps and stuff on the inside because that'll cause infections and bacteria to build up that you don't want. So just wipe on the inside. Use a wipe, unscented wipe. Use a wipe. Like, don't use Summer Eves and Vagisil and stuff like that. No. Big no. So use water instead of using soap when you're cleaning the inside. You can use it on the outside. You can use soap on the outside, but not on the inside, like inside Miss Girl. And then my final tip, trim before you shave for less razor bumps and a cleaner shave. If your hairs are this long, please do not try and shave it. You're going to cut yourself. You're going to cause razor bumps. You're going to cause ingrown hairs. Trim before you shave. Even if it's just like the bikini line, trim before you shave. Because that stuff will get caught in your razor. And it's not cute. At all. Guys, this is our first girl talk. Oh my gosh. Look at us. We're growing. That's all the tips that I have. It was 12 tips. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to comment. Tell me if y'all have some extra tips, comment down below the tips that y'all use. And make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.